Want to enjoy Netflix in your Tesla Model Y? This video guides you through enabling streaming apps and logging in. By the end, you'll be streaming your favorite shows on your Tesla's 15-inch touchscreen. Netflix provides a convenient way to pass the time while waiting or charging your vehicle. To add Netflix to your Tesla Model Y, start with the hardware requirements. You'll need a compatible Tesla Model Y from 2019 or later. This ensures your vehicle has the necessary infotainment system for streaming apps. Next, you'll need an active Tesla account. This connects your vehicle to Tesla's services and allows app installations through the Tesla App Store. Internet connectivity is essential for streaming. You can use Wi-Fi when parked or Tesla's Data Plus plan for unlimited streaming on the go, providing seamless access without data limits. Finally, you'll need a Netflix subscription. Choose from basic, standard, or premium plans based on your viewing needs, from standard definition to 4K Ultra HD. On your Tesla's touchscreen, navigate to the Apps menu. This is where you'll find Tesla's App Store. It functions similarly to app stores on your smartphone. In the Tesla App Store, search for Netflix using the search bar at the top of the screen. Once you find the Netflix app, tap to download and install it. The app is relatively small at around 100 megabytes, so the download should complete quickly. After installation completes, the Netflix app will be ready to use on your Tesla Model Y. Before you can use Netflix on your Tesla Model Y, you need to enable streaming apps in your vehicle settings. This ensures safety by restricting usage to parked vehicles only. Go to your vehicle's settings menu and select Safety and Security. This is where Tesla manages safety-related features. Within Safety and Security, locate the Streaming Apps option. This controls whether streaming services can be activated. Toggle the Streaming Apps option to On. This allows Netflix and other streaming apps to be activated on your Tesla. With streaming apps enabled, you can now proceed to log into your Netflix account. Open the Netflix app. You'll be prompted to log in. You can either enter your existing Netflix account credentials, including your email and password, or use the QR code option to log in via your phone for quicker access. This method also provides enhanced security with two-factor authentication. For safety reasons, Netflix streaming is only permitted when your Tesla Model Y is parked. This ensures driver focus remains on the road and prevents any distractions during driving. Specifically, the parking brake must be engaged, and the gear selector must be in park position. These requirements ensure the vehicle is completely stationary before allowing any streaming activity. These measures are designed to prevent any driver distraction. Tesla prioritizes safety above all else, so streaming is strictly limited to parked situations only. When streaming, audio will play through the vehicle's built-in speakers for optimal sound quality. The video content automatically adapts to fit the touchscreen's aspect ratio, ensuring a seamless viewing experience within the car's interface. If you encounter any issues while using Netflix on your Tesla, first ensure you have a stable internet connection through Wi-Fi or cellular data. This is crucial for smooth streaming without interruptions. If buffering occurs during playback, try reducing the video quality in the Netflix app settings. This can help with slower connections and improve performance. Once you're logged in and the vehicle is parked, browse Netflix's vast library of movies and shows directly on your touchscreen. You can set up multiple profiles for different family members, allowing each person to have their own personalized recommendations and watch history. Enjoy the convenience of streaming entertainment on your Tesla Model Y.